Hey Jesse, it's Jay here. I know you're having some issues with getting your email set up, so I'm going to be busy this afternoon. Can't do a Zoom meeting, so I wanted to record a quick video for you on how to set everything up. So again, we want to make sure that you're in, you know, your Microsoft Outlook account. So again, we're in the Outlook account, and once you're in there, you want to hit File, up, hit Add Account, and take your information here. So Jessi, it's sold by Elite. Really? Paste that in here. So get rid of this number. And then we want to hit this drop down tab. So we want to hit advanced options and we want to set it up manually. So click this box, then hit connect. Once we're in here, this is an IMAP account, so we want to hit IMAP. And in there, we just got to put some of that information that I gave you before. So we need to change the incoming server. So it's imap.dreamhost.com. Or you can just copy this and paste it in there. You need to change the port numbers. So since it's an IMAP account, we go to port 993. We got to change this to 993. And the drop down, we got to hit this SSTSL button, and then on the outgoing mail server, you need to change this to the smtp.dreamhost.com. So again, we can copy this and paste it there. You need to change the port number, so it's port number 465. So change this to 465. Hit SSTSL. We want to hit next, and that's going to ask for your password. So we're going to go to the password that I gave you. So it's the Ivers at 2022. Paste that in and hit connect. And it's just that simple. So it says that we're done here. You can go back into my account and we can see that your account has been added right here. So you can see you got all the transaction desk, all your messages in there and ready to go. So it's that simple. If you got any questions, give me a call or shoot me an email, and I'll be happy to walk you through everything. But other than that, if you just follow those steps that I just laid out here, it should be pretty simple. Okay, thanks.